is the exact one.
Exactly.
The guy that got it, this is the one.
This is the guy who bought it. He just painted the rims this color.
Yeah,
It used to be chrome.
Right.
Exact same WRC, whatever they're called. WCI.
What is that restaurant called, Joe?
This is a 20-inch rim.
Yeah.
And it's only 295 wide, mine is 315 wide. That's a deep dish right there.
Oh my god, look at it from that angle with the lights. Let me just finish this off.
Just being here wants me to win the lottery.
Appreciate it.
Just admire what you're doing.
Oh fuck, appreciate it, man.
Oh, my buddy coming tomorrow. Stuff like this.
Did you see when we pulled up? There was.
I thought you were gonna fucking.
Take a look. Clean.
Is that real carbon fiber?
Yep.
This is the one from Import Fest, yeah.
Yep.
I remember seeing this one a couple of years ago. I think it was a year ago, right?
A year ago, yeah.
Yeah. So you bought this one.
I got this
Yeah, yeah. I remember the rims were gold, yeah, before?
one. No, it was like chrome.
Chrome, that's right.
Yeah.
Chrome, yeah.
Yeah.
His are warm.
So did it come with the carbon too? Right from the...
No, I just did it.
You did it, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks mean.
Everything custom. You see on the car, everything's custom.
What's it roughly putting out horsepower?
The horsepower is 375 right now,
Okay.
but I'm gonna add it up supercharged next year.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's gonna be insane.
Yeah. Or a turbo. I don't know.
Supercharge. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's gonna do it?
He's gonna do it.
Yeah, yeah.
I go for actual Hellcat like came with the SRT.
That's gonna be insane.